In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download IC Markets. If you're looking to get started with IC Markets and want the right tools on your computer or phone, I'll walk you through the process clearly and simply. IC Markets supports professional-grade platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 for desktop, and also offers CTrader as an alternative, which you can get on mobile. Let's begin with the MetaTrader platforms for desktop, which are ideal if you want advanced charting, automated strategies, and a robust trading environment. On your Windows or Mac computer, head to the official IC Markets website and open the Downloadable Platforms page. Take a moment to confirm you're on the genuine site to ensure you're getting the correct software. On that page, choose either MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 and click the download link. If you're unsure which to pick, MT5 is the newer platform with more built-in tools and symbols, while MT4 remains a favorite for its simplicity and wide indicator support. Either option will connect to IC Markets just fine. Once the file has finished downloading, run the installer. Follow the on-screen setup prompts. This usually involves confirming the license agreement and letting the installer place the platform in the default location. Keep your internet connection steady during this step, so everything installs correctly. When the setup completes, open the platform from your desktop or applications folder. With the platform open, log in using your existing IC Markets account details. Be sure to enter your information carefully and keep your credentials secure. If the platform asks to update or download additional components, allow it to finish so you have the latest features and stability improvements. After that, the platform will load your workspace and you'll be ready to explore charts, symbols, and tools. If you prefer a modern interface on mobile, IC Markets also supports CTrader. You can download the IC Markets CTrader app directly from Google Play. This is a great option if you want a clean layout and powerful order management on the go. Make sure you're downloading from the official listing on Google Play so you get the legitimate app. That's it. Visit the IC Markets Downloadable Platforms page to get MT4 or MT5 for desktop, install and open the platform, and sign in with your account. Or, if you want a mobile-focused experience, download the IC Markets CTrader app from Google Play. Take your time, double-check you're using official sources, and you'll be set up smoothly.